For the next task, we are now going to create our enemy. We're going to do this in the same way as we've just created our player sprite. We're going to right click on the sprites, go to create, and then once again go down to sprite. This time we're going to name it S enemy, and then we are going to press the edit image. Now these are exactly the same tools as we've used earlier. So what we're going to do is we're going to start off by using a color. We're going to then add in a layer, and for this one I'm just going to create a single dot in the middle, and I'm going to use a slightly different tool this time. So I'm going to make my brush smaller, and I'm going to use the line tool. Now the line tool allows you to draw a very straight line. I'm also then going to add a new layer in here, and we're going to add in a little eye there. Now on this one we're going to animate it. So what we're going to do is I'm going to right click on the frame and duplicate, and you'll notice it's made a copy. So what I'm going to do on this example is I'm going to erase the eye there, and I'm going to move its location. So I'm going to go back then to my paintbrush, and then we're going to go at the top here. I'm going to then duplicate it again, click on the last frame, click the eraser, click the pen tool, and then put it back in at the top. And then we're going to duplicate it one more time, click the eraser, get rid of it, click the paintbrush tool and put it there. Now if we play this, you can see it's going around, but it's very, very, very quick. So what we're going to do is we're going to slow this animation down. So if I close the S enemy for a moment and we reduce this from 30 frames down to say 4 frames, what this will do is it'll then show us our animation working, but obviously it's at a much slower frame rate. So for your next task, what we're going to ask you to do is create your enemy. If you wish to animate it, you can, but you're not going to have a long time to create your enemy. So if you are slow at drawing, obviously stick to the basics. If you are very quick at doing this, then feel free to animate it.